Have you ever had a time where you are just craving for something sweet or a baked treat but know that it's unhealthy for you? I chose to modify recipes for health benefits for my exhibition because I absolutely love to bake. But when I bake something sweet, I just can't seem to forget that I'll probably be eating something unhealthy. So I decided to set off on the journey on learning how to modify baked chocolate goods and fruit smoothies. I first started off with making driving questions. I then drew out a plan on what my maker project would look like and tried to stick with it. After, I started to research replacements for sugar while still maintaining its sweetness. To know how a chocolate treat tastes like originally, I first started off with baking a normal dark chocolate cake. At last, I started to experiment modifying different chocolate recipes and fruit smoothies. There were definitely some challenges along the way. What is a project with no obstacles? A challenge I faced is that after I learned about replacements for sugar, butter, and some others, I didn't know if I were supposed to put the same amount needed as the ingredients before, since the amount needed might be different. So I looked up websites to tell me how much I should replace something by. The process is very fun, but also challenging. Like getting the right amount of bananas in a recipe is sometimes nearly impossible. You definitely need patience and can't just expect it to turn out the way you want it to be the first try. Sometimes I would think I'm finished and don't know what else to improve. Like when I made a smoothie and it turned out pretty awful tasting, I thought there would be no way to fix it. But after going through the design cycle again, I was able to make one that tasted so much more better. My thinking has definitely changed during the course of exhibition. At first, my plan was just to modify chocolate cake, but as the days went on, I realized that only modifying chocolate cake just wasn't enough for 2 weeks of research and experiments. So then I started to test with other chocolate goods and smoothies: chocolate chip muffins, chocolate blueberry brownies, chocolate ice cream, fruit smoothies, and marble cake. If I were to do this again, I'd make sure to save a sample of each stack I baked and compare the taste at the end of exhibition. From this experience, I've gained much more knowledge on how to modify baked goods and the health benefits behind them. Now, I don't have to worry that much about what unhealthy things are going inside my body anymore when I eat the snacks I bake.